Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Pretty Secret's 3D Classic Nail Sticker. This is one of the products that Pretty Secret has sent me. First thing I'll do is I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat onto my natural nails. Then I'm applying 2 coats of white nail polish. After that, I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails because I'm doing an ombre next. I'm using these 2 light shades from Pretty Secret's Classic Nail Color Collection, and I'm applying it onto a cosmetic sponge. Oh, and by the way, I've done a swatch and review for Pretty Secret's Classic Nail Color Collection. The link is available on the description box, and I'll be putting it on the iCard above. Then I'm dabbing the sponge onto my nail. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. After that, I'm peeling off the liquid latex. And I'm using a cleanup brush dipped with nail polish remover to clean up the tight spaces. Then to smoothen it out, I'm applying a thick layer of top coat. Then I'm letting it to dry completely. Now let's check out Pretty Secret's 3D Classic Nail Sticker. To pick up the stickers easily, I'm using a tweezers like this. Then, let's stick it onto my nails. After placing the stickers on each of my nail, I'm applying a thick coat of top coat. Pretty Secret's 3D Classic Nail Sticker has 1 nail sticker sheet inside. And the stickers have great quality. It also has many designs that will make your nail art beautiful. This is 29 pesos and it's available on watsons.com.ph and on the Watsons app. The link for this product will be available on the description box below. You can literally make your boring manicure into a fabulous and classy nail art when using Pretty Secret's 3D classic nail stickers. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!